Hey guys, in this video we're going to be comparing and reviewing a Cursor versus Windsurf. I've actually used both and I'll give you some pros and cons. Let's actually start with Cursor. Now Cursor feels like a smarter version of, my old friend VSCode. It's basically a familiar interface and it means there's virtually no learning curve, okay? And the AI powered refactoring multi-file editing incredibly fast. The ability to manually tag context with add files, okay, it gives you precise control, which I love for complex targeted changes. However, what I've noticed is they have this autonomous agent mode that can be a bit of a handful and sometimes makes changes to unintended files if your prompt is not precise. So keep that in mind. And then on the other hand, we have Windsurf. Now, Windsurf is a true agentic IDE, okay? And it's basically built from the ground up to understand your entire project automatically, which is a massive time saver for large scale refactors. The Cascade agent is also a powerhouse. It can run tests, even debug its own code, which, it feels like having a teammate. The UI is cleaner and it's more minimal, but it does take a little getting used to. And the biggest con is that it's multi-file refactors. It can be a bit slower than Cursor's, quick fire approach. But ultimately, what it comes down to is look, if you're a solo developer who wants a familiar, fast, highly customizable tool for single file or targeted edits, go with Cursor. Okay, but if you have a larger team or you're a developer who works on complex multi-file projects, you want the AI to handle a lot of heavy lifting, then Windsurf is the clear winner. So it depends on your use case. If you found this video helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe.